We sell jelly and ripe banana and pine. Those take the market good out here. Every fruit that come in at them season, we sell it. I get me started now from way down back in the 80s. Growing up, knew that my mother was an higgler, so my inspiration come from my mother. Me didn't leave and go in a potency and do some days work. So I collect my pay, I come and start my business. My mind 7 pit me out of it. 7 pit me get, and my mind them out of it. School them, I want to do everything. Everything when I want, my youth them want out here until now. Biggest challenge now when the toll road open, over here we lock up. Until now, we're not 100, but we are going to eat a food. We get the products by, we go market, go buy, or we go country, or some of the people them come and sell us. Sometimes them start coming from Monday, go right down to Saturday. People them that support us, the Morris is Jamaican. Biggest success are when Jazz and Blue, the Montego Bay. It's the biggest one we ever get out here, so money flow. I say money flow. In government, if they could raise up a toll, you understand? And then now people them use the toll when the gorge close. And make enough traffic come back on this side. Would I like it time come where like whatever man I go spend $1,000 with me. I can't say I spend even 6 and go spend 4 with a man there, or a woman there. You understand? I wish for them days if they exist. Sometimes people account how much you sell more and when you not ever account yourself. You understand? That foolish every cut when everybody come together out here and live good. I grew up in a selling. School not selling, and me get 7 youth not selling. So me never have nothing more, not more in mind for do. My name is Marjorie otherwise called Noah's Pearl Mill. I am the fruit rasta and Bog Walk byway. Right? When you come and buy, me give you brata and love you like lovey-dovey. So just come by me. Respect.